Fire's still lit. Dark. Oh, they're in there. They're in there. They're in there.
Remember, I got an orange jacket.
He's crouched down in the fire right now. I can't get a good... I can take a shot. Me take it? And he just fucking... he just moved. He's right me running out. No? He's running out. I think I got him.
Which way did he run?
To the right. That or I hit a fucking fence.
Oh, he's waking up?
I'm not near him. Shoot him.
Is it one or two?
One. It was just one.
You sure?
Nobody else inside the house.
I'm inside the house right now.
That's what I'm saying. Nobody else was inside the house.